ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the coffee green. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Coach, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings.
I like black niggas. They got black cards. Yeah, this says salt. Cause my head hard. I keep a side nigga. Just like my side part. And I can't fuck no nigga that ain't got no mind charge. He just iced me out, but tryna be my man. He wrote a song about, damn, ooh, you want me bad. Apply that pressure about me, baby. Don't be acting scared. Fuck being nonchalant. I need my nigga to kiss my ass. I got my hand out, but we ain't shaking hands. I ain't no broke ass bitch, baby. We go band for band. This shit like Burger King. I'm having shit my way. Matter of fact, put your wallet up this time. I got it, baby.
I need a baller, shot caller. Take me to the mall so I can spend a couple dollars. And I'm tryna give it to you. Show me what you got. Gonna call that back so I can shop till I drop.
It's Leo. Damn, what can I say? It was po-ass nigga after po-ass nigga. I finally up my rank. I ain't got shit for a hoe. If he dropped that low, then he must be a bank. I'm too damn stiff on
loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.